Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday home problems into smart and affordable solutions. Today, we're tackling freezing cold kitchen floors. Let's get started. Ever wonder why kitchen floors get so cold? Tile and hardwood don't hold heat well, and many kitchens are above unheated spaces like garages or basements. Drafts from gaps around windows and doors can also make your floors chilly. But don't worry, I'm going to show you some simple solutions to warm up those cold floors. One of the easiest ways to warm up your kitchen floors is by adding area rugs. These versatile pieces not only provide comfort underfoot but also bring a touch of style to your space. Place them where you stand the most, in front of the sink, where you spend time washing dishes or preparing food. Stove, where you cook meals, and countertops, where you might chop vegetables or mix ingredients. Choose durable, easy-to-clean materials like cotton or synthetic fibers, which can withstand spills and frequent cleaning, and opt for rugs with a rubber backing to prevent slipping. This is especially important in a busy kitchen where safety is a priority. Rugs aren't just practical, they add personality and warmth to your kitchen decor. With various colors, patterns, and textures available, you can easily find a rug that complements your kitchen's theme. Whether you prefer a modern look or a more traditional style, area rugs can enhance the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, making it a more inviting and cozy space for you and your family. Ready for a game changer? Heated floor mats plug into a standard outlet and provide targeted warmth. Place one under your kitchen sink mat or in front of the stove. They're energy efficient, easy to install, and will keep your feet warm. Drafts can make your kitchen feel colder, especially from under doors or around windows. Inspect areas around your kitchen doors and windows for gaps or cracks. Use weather stripping tape or sealant to close up those gaps. Check baseboards for cracks and reseal with caulk. Replace worn-out door sweeps to block drafts. These small fixes can make a big difference. Let's talk about underlayment. Adding an underlayment is a fantastic option for boosting warmth. It acts as a barrier against moisture, sound, and temperature changes. Cork underlayment is eco-friendly and provides excellent insulation. Foam underlayment is affordable and easy to install. Even layering thick cardboard under your kitchen rugs can add warmth. It's a simple and affordable trick that works. Peel and stick carpet tiles are perfect for renters. They're affordable, easy to install, and removable. These tiles come in various colors, textures, and patterns. Look for tiles designed for thermal insulation. Installation is a breeze, just peel and stick. When it's time to move out, simply peel them up. Consider installing a radiant barrier if your kitchen is above an unheated space. A radiant barrier reflects heat back into your floor. Installation is straightforward. Roll out the barrier between floor joists and secure it. Pair it with foam insulation boards for maximum warmth. Let's share a few bonus tips for making your entire kitchen feel cozier. A cozy kitchen is not just about the food you prepare, but also about the atmosphere you create. Small changes can make a big difference in how inviting your kitchen feels. Swap out harsh overhead lights for warmer LED bulbs. These bulbs emit a softer, more natural light that can make your kitchen feel more comfortable and welcoming. Consider using dimmable lights to adjust the brightness according to the time of day or the mood you want to set. Add textiles like tea towels, oven mitts, and curtains in warm colors. These small touches can add a lot of personality and warmth to your kitchen. Choose patterns and colors that make you happy and complement the overall decor of your space. A vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of fruit can make your kitchen feel more inviting. Fresh flowers add a touch of nature and a pop of color, while a bowl of fruit can be both decorative and functional. It's all about creating a space that feels warm and welcoming. Personalize your kitchen with items that reflect your style and make you feel at home. Whether it's through lighting, textiles, or natural elements, these small changes can transform your kitchen into a cozy haven. Here are a few tips to keep your floors comfortable year-round. Invest in insulated flooring options if you're building or renovating. Ensure your kitchen is properly insulated and seal any air leaks. Regularly inspect windows and doors for drafts and replace worn-out weather stripping. We've covered a lot today. From adding rugs and sealing drafts to installing underlayment or a radiant barrier, you can transform your kitchen into a warm, cozy space. Many of these solutions can be tackled on a weekend with simple tools. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get those kitchen floors toasty warm. Now let's dive into one of the most luxurious solutions for cold kitchen floors: underfloor heating systems. Imagine stepping into your kitchen on a frosty morning and feeling a gentle, even warmth underfoot. Underfloor heating systems not only offer unparalleled comfort but also enhance the overall efficiency of your home's heating. There are two main types of underfloor heating systems: electric and hydronic. Electric systems use heating cables or mats installed beneath the flooring, making them ideal for renovations due to their relatively easy installation. Hydronic systems, on the other hand, circulate warm water through a network of pipes, offering a more energy-efficient solution, especially for larger areas. When choosing the right system, consider factors such as the size of your kitchen, the type of flooring, and your budget. Electric systems are typically less expensive up front, but may cost more to operate, while hydronic systems have higher installation costs, but can save you money in the long run. Installation of underfloor heating can be a DIY project for those with some experience, but hiring a professional ensures optimal performance and longevity of the system. Whichever route you choose, the investment in underfloor heating will transform your kitchen into a warm, inviting space all year round. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on keeping your home cozy and comfortable. Now that we've covered the luxurious option of underfloor heating, let's explore another effective method to combat cold kitchen floors: insulation. Insulating your kitchen floor can significantly reduce heat loss and keep your space warm and cozy. There are several types of insulation materials to consider. First up, foam boards. These are rigid panels that provide excellent thermal resistance. They're easy to cut and fit, making them a great option for DIY enthusiasts. Simply place them under your flooring for an immediate boost in warmth. Next, we have reflective insulation. This type of insulation works by reflecting radiant heat back into your kitchen, preventing it from escaping through the floor. It's particularly effective when installed beneath floorboards or tiles. Another option is fiberglass insulation, commonly used in walls and ceilings but also effective for floors. It's a bit more involved to install, often requiring a professional, but it offers great thermal performance. Lastly, consider spray foam insulation. This versatile material expands to fill gaps and cracks, creating a seamless barrier against the cold. It's perfect for hard-to-reach areas and provides excellent insulation. When choosing the right insulation for your kitchen floor, consider factors such as the type of flooring, ease of installation, and your budget. Each material has its own advantages, so pick the one that best suits your needs. Stay tuned as we continue to share more tips and tricks to keep your kitchen warm and inviting. DIY floor heating projects. Get step-by-step instructions on how to create your own floor heating solutions. From electric mats to hydronic systems, learn how to install and maintain these projects for a warm kitchen floor. Electric mats are a fantastic DIY option. These mats are designed to be placed directly under your flooring, providing even heat distribution. Installation is straightforward: simply lay the mats, connect them to a thermostat, and enjoy the warmth. Hydronic systems, while more complex, offer a highly efficient heating solution. These systems use heated water circulated through pipes beneath your floor. You'll need a bit more expertise to install them, but the payoff is a cozy, energy-efficient kitchen. Before starting any DIY project, make sure to plan thoroughly. Measure your space, gather all necessary tools and materials, and follow safety guidelines. Whether you choose electric mats or a hydronic system, these DIY projects can transform your cold kitchen floors into a warm, inviting space. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and tips on how to make your kitchen the coziest room in your home. Keeping your kitchen floors warm isn't just about the initial installation, it's also about maintenance. Regular upkeep ensures your floor heating systems and insulation stay effective all year round. First, let's talk about electric mats and hydronic systems. For electric mats, check the connections and thermostat periodically to ensure they are functioning correctly. Dust and debris can sometimes interfere with the system, so keep the area clean. For hydronic systems, it's essential to inspect the pipes for any signs of leaks or blockages. Flushing the system annually can help maintain efficiency and prevent mineral buildup. Insulation also plays a crucial role. Inspect the seals around windows and doors regularly to prevent drafts. If you notice any gaps, reseal them promptly to keep the warm air in and the cold air out. Don't forget about your rugs and carpet tiles. Make sure they are clean and free from moisture, as dampness can reduce their insulating properties. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can enjoy warm, cozy kitchen floors throughout the year. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. Ready to say goodbye to freezing cold kitchen floors? Quick fixes. Add rugs, use heated floor mats, seal drafts. Rugs are a simple and stylish way to add warmth and comfort. Heated floor mats are perfect for those extra chilly mornings, providing instant warmth underfoot. Sealing drafts around windows and doors can make a significant difference in maintaining a cozy kitchen environment. DIY projects. Install peel and stick carpet tiles. These tiles are easy to install and come in a variety of colors and patterns, allowing you to customize your kitchen floor to match your style. They provide an extra layer of insulation and are a great weekend project for any DIY enthusiast. Or a radiant foil barrier. This is a more involved project but can significantly improve the warmth of your kitchen. Radiant foil barriers reflect heat back into the room, making it an energy-efficient solution for keeping your floors warm. Advanced solutions. Consider heated floors. Installing underfloor heating is a more permanent solution that provides consistent warmth throughout your kitchen. This option is ideal for those looking to make a long-term investment in their home's comfort and energy efficiency, or upgrading to insulated flooring. Insulated flooring materials can help retain heat and keep your kitchen floors warm. This upgrade not only enhances comfort but also contributes to energy savings by reducing the need for additional heating. Tell me in the comments which trick you're excited to try. Whether it's a quick fix or a more advanced solution, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Sharing your ideas can help others find the best way to keep their kitchen floors warm. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY tips. Stay warm. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos where we share more home improvement tips and tricks to make your living spaces more comfortable and efficient.